Good morning and happy Tuesday. Today we will learn how to join and create a village. A village is a community of individuals with a similar interest. In order to peruse and join a village based on your interests, scroll down and go to your group widget on your right, like this. Click on More and you will have all the groups currently on Constellation. And then request access to the groups based on your interests. And this is how you join a village. Now, in order to create a village or a group, you can do it two ways. The first one is to click on Create Group right here. And the second one would be to go to My Groups tab up top and hit Create Groups. This will take you through a 6-step process where you will create the group's name and add some information about the group. So let's do it. I'm going to create the DDD group. I'm going to add a description of what the group is about. And then I'm going to create group and continue. Now you can basically edit the privacy options of your group or village with setting. This will enable you to set your village as public, private, or a hidden village. Also, you can determine how much access the users have. You can have every user being able to upload or add documents and photos or restrict that access. Indeed, it all depends on their status in the village, since you can have users be co-organizers, moderators, or simple members of the group. See how in group invitation, you can request, you can set which members of this group are allowed to invite others. You can set which members of this groups are allowed to post into the activity feeds, which members of this group are allowed to upload group photos, same with albums, same with documents. And you can also restrict or set which members of this groups are allowed to send group message, right? Now you can also determine if this village is a subgroup of another village group by selecting a pairing group if you wish, right here. Now we're going to click Next Step. In a forum, you will be asked if you want to enable a forum to the village. A forum is really a message board. So I'm going to click Yes. I want this group to have a discussion forum, and then click Next Step. Then you will be asked to upload the photo and cover photo for the village. So I can basically select my file and drop my image right here. Then I'm going to click Next Step. Same thing for cover photo right here. Then you will be asked to upload, to basically invite Constellation users to your village like this. So you can click on the people you want to invite by adding, by clicking down this plus button. Then I'm going to invite, a deal to this group, Alicia, and then hit press and then hit send, which basically will invite those people I chose to my village. And then right here, and then we're going to hit Next Step, right? In the future, we'll have the option to add courses to village with this particular setting. And then I'm going to click Next Step. So basically, this is how you join or, create a village. And then I'm going to click Finish. And then here's your group. Next week, we will learn how to manage your village and the different types of members you can have in your group. Thank you, and see you next Tuesday.